Went to get income tax appointment made, and here's the air conditioner. It is a Rheem heat pump. It's actually running. Listed heat pump. I'm trying to zoom in on the specs here. Model number RJKA-A060JK. This is a 5-ton. Date of manufacture 11/2003, so November 2003. Serial is 5580F450307066. Beautiful job on the condensate, I'd say. I don't see the energy guide anywhere. Probably a 10 seer. It's missing the coil guard. And people aren't staring at me, but I could care less, apparently. And the business next door, you probably can't see it, but they have an older unit, ICP. This thing's still running. It's in heat mode because it's like in the 50s out, so yeah. I swear to God, Kodak, if you don't freaking focus. Yeah. Very quiet, very, and there's the humongous, the big ass disconnect. That is big. Filter access. This thing has a filter right here. That's strange. Anyways, I'm going to cut this now so the video converter won't take so long.